How to fix the Instagram security code not received. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. If you are not receiving the Instagram security code, it could be various reasons, from technical glitches to issues with your contact information. So here is some of the troubleshooting steps that should help. Start up with checking your internet connection. Make sure you have a stable one, or you could switch between mobile data and Wi-Fi. Next step is to check your contact information. Ensure your registered phone number or email is correct in the app. To confirm it, head over to Instagram, tap on your profile, go to the three horizontal lines for the settings and activity, and go to your account center. Then after tap on the personal details and check if your contact details are updated and resent. Sometimes the issue could also be because of the network, so make sure to restart your phone or switch between the mobile airplane mode. After that, ensure that your phone is not in do not disturb mode. Another thing to do is head over to your Gmail and check for the security mails in spam. Search for Instagram in your inbox to confirm it. Now that you do so, clear all the background application, head over to Instagram and request the resend code. However, if it's still creating an issue, you'll have to go to the Instagram support for the further assistance. For this, head over to Instagram, tap on the settings, and go to the help center. This way, explain your problem along with the screenshot, and you should get help from the support service. So, that is all for today's video. For more such contents, do not forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Thank you and keep watching.